What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got another mukbang. Guys, I'm so happy to have you guys here today. If you haven't already, please like, please share, please subscribe. Share with your friends and family. Let them know what I got going on over here. Today we've got Cafe Rio. Got a salad here and 2 enchiladas. The red enchiladas with rice and beans. Okay, I am starving. And I've got some special announcement that I want to let you guys know in a minute. First, let's get this started. This got the tortilla under it, so it'll be easier to put over. All right, guys, I'm back. I got it all set up for you. I left the rest of the enchiladas for Sebastian because he's gonna be eating in a little bit. Let's get this started. How are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a wonderful, amazing day. I love Cafe Rio because it is just so fresh. They do such a great job, and I've never tried their enchiladas, so we're gonna try that today. I got my Valentina, of course, and today I am sipping on some water. Water. So let me give you guys, this is with shredded chicken, tomatoes, onions, cilantro. And that's a tapatio dressing. Let's try the enchilada. This is chicken, I believe. Yep, the other one was beef. Take a bite. Happy Monday, guys. This is hitting the spot. Happy Monday, guys. If you haven't already, go out, achieve your goals, do what you want to do. I thought today would be an amazing day for an announcement. I'm not sure if I'm doing too much or what, but I can't be preaching to y'all to go out and do something that you really want to do, and I'm sitting here debating if I should do what I want to do. So I decided last minute that I'm going to hold on, y'all, I'm starving. The girl decided to do a new channel, and it's just gonna be based off lifestyles, DIYs, detox, day in a life, mommyhood, all that stuff. So that way my mukbangs aren't, if you want to just keep watching my mukbangs, you can keep watching it. But obviously I do more than eating all day, or I have other things that I do that's good content that I want to put out there. So you see how quiet it is. But anyways, I'm gonna leave the description down at the bottom. And so you guys can go check that out if you guys would like. I would love that. Especially my mommies out there. A lot of stuff with Cyrus coming up, and a little bit more like with my family. So this is what Cyrus is eating, his favorite. My poor baby is cheating pretty bad, so anything to ease his mouth, I give him. Mmm. So yeah, that was my announcement. Nothing too crazy, y'all. Your girl's still gonna be here. This is gonna be my main priority because guess what? We eat every day, right? Yeah. So. I really hope I'm not putting too much on myself, y'all. Because these videos do take time. With editing and filming, like at least mukbangs, you film and you throw it out there, you know, do a few edits. But yeah, so these videos are a little bit easier to put out. That's why I say, don't worry, y'all. Your girl's still gonna be doing her mukbangs. We're just adding to the equation. This peri-peri sauce is good. So I was gonna cook today, but I totally forgot. Tommy is DJing, so we're gonna go to that later. And I gotta get Cyrus ready to drop him off at his grandma's house, and we are babysitting. So I was like, you know what? We're babysitting Sebastian's little brother and sister. They're upstairs with him, so. Y'all, this is so good. Yeah, so Tommy's gonna DJ. We're gonna go to that. It's his friends. It's his friends' party, so. Nothing big, y'all. I don't think there'll be more than 30 people, so. Let me know, are you guys done social distancing? Are you still, how's your state? I think we're already in phase 2, so they have opened up mostly everything for us. Mm-hmm. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Now, I will say this is not authentic Mexican food. It's like Chipotle, but it's good. Like, on my TikTok, people are getting mad because I'm saying like tacos when I have taco night. And it's like, what would you like me to call it? A shell with meat in it? Mm-hmm. And you guys know these are his favorite too. You reading my receipt? Okay. Y'all. That hit the spot. I don't feel terrible. I can still wear a cute little outfit tonight. And still feel good about it. What am I doing today? Yeah, I told you guys, okay, so we're doing that, but I'm thinking about doing like a vlog of like dating a DJ vlog or something. I don't know, I thought it'd be fun. I wish I would have thought about it when we did our matching outfits, but it is what it is, guys. I'm just happy that I started something new, a new project that I could work on, and I hope that you guys love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there so I can help watch the babies upstairs. This was delicious, guys. Definitely try it out. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please share, and give this video a thumbs up. And let your family and friends know what I've got going on on this channel. I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.